Mailman Mechanic here. Some of you have been asking, hey, Mailman, what about the Scion XB? How's that going? Well, I got really busy over the summer and I kind of lost motivation, but guess what? I'm back. You all have been asking, got me really motivated. So let me tell you what happened since the last video that I'm really sorry I did not record. I was able to get it cranked finally, got a fresh battery in there. It took a while, finally cranked it up, and I was able to drive it, but it was blowing white smoke. So I pulled it into my little working area right here in this carport, and I was able to do a compression check, and 3 of the 4 cylinders had very low compression. Even the 1 cylinder that was compressing didn't have that much, but the thing rang. So all I can tell you is Toyota. I mean, nobody makes it like they do. So I took the head off, and I got a picture right here. And you can see in that picture where it had blown 3 of the 4. And you can see the lines really unique. So I took the head off and didn't have any problem with the head bolts or anything like that. And here it is. Here's the Scion. And you're like, what in the world? So yeah. And so let me go ahead and say something that I really appreciate about this vehicle. Once you took the headlights, the bumper, the radiator off, they're so easy to get to. Look at all this room. I did put a rag over the timing area because I didn't want a bunch of dirt getting in there. And then I duct taped the top of the cylinder head. I cleaned it all up, and then I put some WD-40 on it. I didn't want it. We got a lot of humidity over here, so I sealed it up. So waiting for the head to be done. And guess what? Got a call yesterday. And look at this beauty. There it is. Completely machined down. Everything, all the valves checked out great. I was super excited. Here's a head gasket set that came in. And it's a 3-layer, multi-layer gasket. And then the radiator was fine, but the cooling fan was not. I mean, it is all busted up. Probably why I blew a head gasket. So anyway, there's that. Looks beautiful. And so there's the Scion. There's the purple eggplant. And I am so looking forward to getting this thing on the road. I had washed it, and there it sits right now. I'll be starting on working on this most likely Monday or Tuesday. Today is Saturday night. The rest of the parts come in. I'm a mailman. I'm going to get most of my order parts mailed in. And so all I'm waiting for are head bolts. Can't do anything without those. And then, what was that? Oh yeah, timing chain. So I'll show you how to set timing on this. I'll show you how to put the head back on. And I even give you a link of another YouTuber who does an excellent job on this. So, Mailman Mechanic, y'all keep asking me. I'm going to deliver to you. I'm going to get this thing back on the road. This thing will be my everyday driver. It'll be my backup mail vehicle. It'll get the kids back and forth to school. It's going to be awesome. But unless you guys really talk me into it, the purple eggplant's got to go. I just can't. So I'll figure out what color, and we'll even do a painting video. Plus, you can't see it right now, but some of this paint is really rough. So again, Mailman Mechanic, it will all bolt together. It's not that bad. It looks horrible, but it's not. This is really good. See you at the mailbox.